An alphabet learning presentation. A to Z foods. A is for apple. A is for apple. B is for broccoli. B is for broccoli. C is for cake. C is for cake. D is for dawn out. D is for dawn out. E is for eggs. E is for eggs. F is for French fries. F is for French fries. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. H is for hamburger. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. J is for jelly. K is for ketchup. K is for ketchup. L is for lime. L is for lime. M is for milk. M is for milk. N is for nuggets. N is for nuggets. O is for orange. O is for orange. P is for pizza. P is for pizza. Q is for quesadilla. Q is for quesadilla. R is for radish. R is for radish. S is for steak. S is for steak. T is for taco. T is for taco. U is for udon noodles. U is for udon noodles. V is for vegetables. W is for watermelon. X is for Hemania. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zucchini.